What's up guys, and welcome to FPV Education's daily tech tips. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to remove the gimbal cover on your DJI FPV drone. Now the gimbal cover is this plastic cover right here. You can see it houses and protects the gimbal and the camera of your drone. Now obviously you can't fly with that cover, you need to remove it before you fly. And if it's your first time, this is how to properly and safely remove that gimbal cover. Now you want to hold the drone firmly in place and then put two fingers at the top and at the bottom of the gimbal cover and then give it a slight push just like that, and it's gonna pop right out just like that. Simple as that. Two fingers, apply a little pressure at the top and at the bottom, and it pops right out, and you can see the camera and the gimbal is right there exposed, ready to fly and shoot some awesome FPV footage. To put it back, it's almost the same process, but you want to make sure the camera is facing slightly upwards, just like that. And then you want to put the gimbal cover with the bottom first, the bottom in place. You want to slightly and gently push the top in until you hear that slight click sound. There you go, and it holds in place. And that's it. That's how to remove and put back the gimbal cover of your DJI FPV drone. Now, don't mind that little white contraption of the drone. That's something I added to mine to mount a GoPro. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.